If you could describe the future of investing in one word, what would it be?
Exciting. It sounds really exciting. My name's Callum. I'm a content creator based here in London, and I'm so excited to be here today.
What's one thing that you've heard today that's made you think?
The one thing that's made me think a lot is that trading is actually accessible to everyone. And I mean, the new AI stuff that eToro's bringing out just sort of shows that and backs that up. So that's definitely something I've learned. As someone who doesn't trade an awful lot, I think now I feel a lot more confident going into things, knowing that I've got the backing of the AI agents and everything else to help me out.
If you could describe the future of investing in one word, what would it be?
Exciting. And I never thought I'd say that because I'm not really a finance guy, I'm not really a techie guy, but it sounds really exciting.
Tell me which new feature of eToro you're using first.
The first feature I'll be using on the new eToro platform has to be the AI agent. I think that's just so impressive. And as I say, I'm not someone that invests regularly, so I think that will help me to sort of get into the swing of things and learn a little bit more, and I can set my sort of boundary as to how crazy I want to go.
What do you know better today than you did an hour ago?
One thing I've learned today that I didn't know an hour ago would be that trading can be accessible. For me, it was just looking at these analysts and traders and guys that sit in front of their laptops and thinking, I can't even get involved with that. Whereas now I'm thinking, actually, you know what? This could be a bit of me and I can set myself up for the future, as well as my future kids and my family. So yeah.
If you could describe eToro's new AI power in one sentence, what is it?
If I was to sum it up in one sentence, the AI power of eToro, it would be, it's so exciting and so accessible.
What's the biggest misconception of AI that you're glad has been put to rest today?
I think AI as a whole has a big misconception of obviously being used in negative ways, but I think when we use it for things like this, and we've got the likes of Tori who can actually help with your trades, not necessarily trade for you, but give you context and stuff, it's so valuable. So that's definitely a misconception that it's used for bad, when actually it can be used for good.
If you could finish this sentence for me, please.
Okay.
Knowing better means?
Knowing better means investing better.